Be in the picture, buddy.
Do you need some help? Okay.
Hi.
Stand over here.
Video.
Stand over
Stand
here.
between Santa.
Hi.
Mrs. Santa?
Mrs. Santa.
This is Steven. I'm at
Tip your hat back.
Southwest
Tip your hat back a little. Oh, well, that's okay too. Good job.
Plumbing
Nice.
on Main Street here in Cedar. And since the mayor
Okay, hello there. Here, sit down right here. Okay,
and
now you got a picture with the mayor.
That's awesome.
I see you noticed me. I had pulled the flag
Yeah,
last year
last year, where was that?
at the Utah Summer Games Open Ceremony last year.
Oh, yeah, okay.
You noticed I pulled it while you walking around the
Yeah, I did see you. I
yeah
remember. Did you like that summer games?
yeah
You like the fireworks?
yeah
Do you like to stay up that late at night?
yeah.
My bedtime's 9 o'clock. Kind of good bedtime.
I have any given time whenever I feel like.
Whatever you want.
Whatever I feel like.
Yeah.
I kind of have that too, but 9 o'clock seems to be what I feel like.
Feel, because earlier we go to bed.
Yeah.
Dan,
I just saw my grandson come
hey
here.
Dan, tell YouTube channel.
Welcome to this YouTube video. I'm here at Southwest Plumbing Supply with the mayor of Cedar City,
Here
Sam
in City.
Green here, and Santa Claus right here,
And Mrs.
and Nathan Claus,
Hi.
and I wish all you guys Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all and wonderful end of this year and beginning of 2024 in a week from this coming Monday.
Monday, yeah. Right.
Very nice.
Yeah. Then Steven, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, comment, ring the bell, and then again, then Steven, peace out.
And at me YouTube channel, please subscribe, ring the bell, 10 p.m.
Okay.
All right, guys.